You can wirelessly connect your Galaxy S25 Ultra to headphones, smartwatches, and more using Bluetooth, giving you quicker access to your favorite accessories and added convenience. Let's walk through how to manage Bluetooth connections on your phone. To pair a new device, open Settings, then tap Connections. Next, tap Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Now, put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. When it appears under Available Devices, tap its name. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the pairing. Once successful, the device will show as connected, and your phone will reconnect to it automatically in the future. To disconnect a Bluetooth device, tap the gear icon next to the connected device and then tap Disconnect. This ends the connection temporarily without unpairing the device. To fully unpair it, choose Unpair. The device will be removed from your phone's memory and must be repaired if you want to use it again later. If you want to rename a Bluetooth device, just tap the gear icon beside it, then tap Rename. Type the new name and tap Rename again to confirm. This makes it easier to identify your devices, especially if you own multiple similar ones, and that's it. That's how you manage, disconnect, unpair, and rename Bluetooth devices for faster, smarter wireless connections on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. We hope this guide helps you out. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.